Marcel and Elle's love story is a beautiful reminder that God's plan is often revealed in the details. It started with a joke and grew into a steadfast friendship, and now a marriage.
Get on your feet, this sights to see, rolling hills or city streets, ocean to...
For 9 years, they've been building a life together filled with both grand adventures and small, cherished moments. They've travelled to multiple countries, bought a house, and found joy in the simple things, including spontaneous kitchen dance parties, sitting by the fire with their dogs, and those quiet wine nights that somehow become the best ones.
Look alive, 'cause while I was waiting for you, paradise is on the other side of the road. We don't know, taking a long way. You and I were born to roll.
Ellie, you have truly brought out the best in my brother, and I continue to help him strive for more. Your love and commitment to him already of your relationship has shown how much of a blessing you are in his life. There is nothing more powerful than a wife who loves you so deeply that they will stay beside you through better or worse.
On the other side of the road, we don't know, taking a long way. You and I were born to roll. Look alive, 'cause while I was waiting for you, paradise is on the other side of the road. We don't know.
Marcel, just like to welcome you to the family. Did that sound sincere, mate? Good. I got it off ChatGPT.
I call upon the people here physically present to witness that I, Marcel, take you, Eleanor, to be my lawfully wedded wife.
I give you this ring as a promise of my love, my loyalty, and my commitment to walk beside you wherever life leads us.
I had a few aviation jokes ready, but decided to keep them grounded so the rest of the speech could take off. Observing the two of them together is like watching a private comedy show with zero context. Just inside jokes, weird vocal tics, and some kind of telepathic humour that no one understands. And honestly, I don't think we want to. We love you, Marcel, and we couldn't be happier that Ellie has found someone who sees her, values her, and loves her for exactly who she is.
Walls can't confine us, we'll make our
And now I pronounce you husbands and wife. Marcel, you may now kiss your beautiful wife.